Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I am Tati, your natural nail guru. Today we have some really fun stuff happening. So it's been about 7 months since I started the channel to get out the education on natural nails and longer lasting manicures and all of the above. So we are now above 300 subscribers, and what better way, I was thinking, to thank everyone that has subscribed already than by doing a giveaway. So I was wondering what I was gonna give away, what my subscribers would be looking for, what they would, be happy to receive. And then I started thinking about my #1 video right now, the most viewed by far, is the Beetles review. That review was really awesome. A lot of people have really been wanting to see everything about Beetles. It's an Amazon's choice right now. It's definitely become a super low-key popular brand and definitely on the lower budget. But with everyone really loving this video and them having an Amazon's choice gel kit that's available through Amazon, I figured what better thing to do than to give away the Beetles gel kit. Now, when I did the Beetles base and top coat review, it actually had a really good review. It's a great low cost product, definitely was really durable, long lasting, with minimal chipping or issues on the 3 manicures that we tested them out on. And these were really heavy duty clients that were getting a lot of stuff done, and they still had very minimal issue with their base and top coat versus what I normally use gelish. So I was really happy and impressed with the quality of the product that I received, considering that it was so cheap online. Now I'm even more curious to this gel kit. So on Amazon, they have this gel kit. Boom, here it is. This gel kit was only 40 bucks, and it comes with everything from your base and your top to the colors to a couple of tools that you need to do the manicure, and also an LED light itself. I'm very curious about this LED light because on average, professional would probably spend about $250 to $300 on an LED light, and I totally love my LED light. It's been coming through with me for such a long time, and I can definitely rely on it. But if I'm getting a kit for 40 bucks with an LED light in it, I definitely have to try it out, and that's definitely something that we're gonna do. So we've already done the review of the base and top coat. I have a client that is testing out the color and also the difference in the light, whether or not there's any difference between the Beetles kit LED light and the professional LED light that I would use in the store, which is the artistic. So before we get into details on the wear and details on the giveaway, let's find out what comes inside this Beetles box. All right, so the package comes in a very nicely fitted box. It's stored really nicely, comes with a little application guide. Ooh, pictures. I love instructions with pictures. And then here we have details, manufacturer details for the LED lamp. Let's see. So here, this is the little kit. Oh, it comes all sealed. Ooh, it comes with a cuticle oil. So we got some really cute separators, which these, if you're using them for yourself, they're totally reusable. You get a nice little nail brush. Oh yeah, this looks like a cuticle oil. Ooh. Peach mango. For cuticle and nails, super nice. So you get a nice little applicator there for moisturizing. Oh, we have a little brush. Probably a little dusting brush after you buff your nails. Can you look up just to make sure that that's still good? We have a buffing and I guess it's a different kind of buffing, but it's like for a natural shine, which those are actually really awesome, especially if you have those guys at home that want a manicure with no polish. They can totally buff it. We have a really good 100-180 file. This is probably the grid of every file and buffer that I have in the shop. I feel like it's just such a good 2 numbers, a good soft and smooth and a good more abrasive. And then here we have a cuticle pusher. I really like these cuticle pushers because they have a little bit of a scooped edge, so they're nice and sharp. We have some more little cuticle tools and some nail nippers. Wow, this is actually pretty awesome. Just in the little supplies that are in here alone are totally worth it. Let's get these back in the bag. So those are all the tools that it comes with. Let's check out this. Here we have our full bottles of base and top coat. And if you haven't checked out the video for this base and top coat, then you definitely must. It was a really, really good deal, really good durability, really nice shine, no wiping necessary. Super, super good top coat. And it came with a full size bottle too. And these are the colors. Check out the 6 colors that these come with. Wow. You get 6 colors here. These are really, really nice size bottles. Really cute. And of course, I had to actually cheat a little bit, and I opened this previously because I wanted to swatch the colors out for you. Look at how adorable these colors are. They're actually super perfect for spring. The glittery polishes I love. I love when I have a glitter polish that is really glittery. It's very saturated with glitter, not a lot of clear, but also that it applies really smooth and easy, because I usually apply glitter polishes with a little pencil art brush, a little thin brush. I'm absolutely loving those nudes, just as they are, all 3 of those together. Really, really cute. And the consistencies of the colors were really thick. I actually really love the coverage that you get just on the first coat, even though I still use 2. And we already know their base and top coat is really, really on point. But really great colors and perfect for spring. And then in here, we have the power adapter and the LED lamp. Now this LED lamp is super lightweight. Very, very lightweight. It has your on-off button, and it has the settings for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. My LED light that I use is an automatic on and off. It has a sensor, and it does 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, and 40 seconds. This is really nice. For the LED, I like it having smaller seconds, only because you really only need 10 to 20 seconds to cure the base coat. But a lot of clients like making sure it's a little extra cured, and actually we'll talk about over curing in a different video. But it does have a couple of different time settings, which is awesome. There is no bottom piece to it, which is a good thing. It's not really a good or a bad thing. I like that mine has the bottom, but it's removable, because sometimes you just don't need to have it there. But it's definitely really light, and I am actually kind of amazed at how many little LED lights are all around this lamp. That's actually a really great thing, because in a lot of LEDs, actually, let me show you mine. This one, as you can see, has 2 LED lights on the side kind of panels, and these little angled one, it only has 1. And then we have 4 lights here at the top. Now, although I do love this lamp and it generally gives me no issue, I do have to be careful with some clients that have their thumb, you can see my reflection, their thumb sometimes in the light doesn't cure very much. But look at how many more LED lights I'm getting in the Beetles version versus mine. I'm actually kind of jealous right now. They got a lot more LED lights. Let's put this down. Now this is really awesome. And in using the LED, because I did test this out, and using this LED, the only thing that I noticed that kind of stood out a little bit is that it doesn't make like a little sound when the time is up. But it's really, really great LED. It works great. It's super simple, very lightweight, has the basic time settings that we would need. But I didn't really realize until now how many LED bulbs are inside this lamp. That's pretty amazing at such a really great deal. But this is how the box comes packaged. This is everything that you get inside of it. It is definitely worth it, especially if you're someone who's at home doing your own manicures. Or maybe you're just starting and you got a little thing going on at home and you're doing manicures for others. It's definitely a really, really great starter kit, and with everything that you get included, especially these super pretty colors. Okay, so what a great value in the box. We have a really awesome array of colors. You're basing your top coat. You got all the tools you really even would need when it comes to preparing your nail for the gel manicure, and the LED light, really awesome. And like I said, I did want to try this LED light out, and I do have a client that tested it out for us. So let's check out the manicure that we did with this client. Like I do with all my reviews, I have one hand that's a control, what I always do, and then the other hand that we're testing out. And so that's what I did with this manicure. One hand we cured with the Beetles LED lamp that comes with the kit, and the other hand I cured with my trusty artistic LED lamp. On day one, you really don't notice any difference whatsoever. I had no issues with either of the hands curing. The polish cured perfectly. I didn't have to worry about bubbles or any parts of the nail that didn't get any of the light, probably because all the lights that the LED has in there definitely was really well rounded. No issue that presented itself on day one. Now, this client wore her manicure for 2 whole weeks, so let's check out how that manicure held up by the end of those 2 weeks. And as you guessed it probably again, it was absolutely perfect. There was no issues in lifting on the manicure. There was no change in shininess. It was just as bright and shiny and stain resistant as it was on day one. So as you can see, now we have a base and top coat that's been reviewed that already proves to be super durable and definitely worth the buy. And we see that the LED light had virtually no difference whatsoever versus a $250 LED lamp, which is pretty amazing. So let's get into the most exciting part of this video, is how you're going to be able to get your hands on this free Beetles kit. So how are we going to enter this giveaway? It's easy. Be subscribed, have your notifications on, share, and comment down below. I definitely want to know if you're a do-it-yourselfer or if you're a nail tech. The giveaway is going to be running for 2 weeks, so it's going to close on April 12th, and I'll make sure to have a video posted by April 15th announcing the winner. I'll definitely be reaching out to you, more than likely through YouTube Messenger. And as always with any giveaway, make sure that you're 18 years of age or that you have parental permission, because I will need your address to be able to send you this awesome box. So there we have it, everyone. You guys have seen the box, you know what's up for grabs, and you know how you're going to be able to get it. So let's not waste any more time and get to it right away. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.